Lajpat Nagar, located in the heart of Delhi, is a bustling commercial and residential area that is known for its diverse range of businesses and services. One such service that is in high demand in this area is detail engineering survey services. These services play a crucial role in various construction and infrastructure projects, providing accurate measurements and assessments of the land and surrounding areas. Detail engineering survey services in Lajpat Nagar are essential for a variety of reasons. Firstly, they provide a comprehensive understanding of the site's topography and terrain, which is crucial for designing and planning any construction project. By conducting detailed surveys, engineers can identify potential obstacles and challenges that may arise during the construction process, such as uneven ground or existing infrastructure. Furthermore, detail engineering survey services in Lajpat Nagar also play a vital role in ensuring the safety and efficiency of construction projects. By accurately measuring the land and surrounding areas, engineers can determine the optimal positioning and alignment of structures, ensuring that they meet safety standards and regulations. This includes assessing factors such as soil stability, water drainage, and environmental impact. SCON Design is a renowned engineering firm in Delhi that specializes in providing detail engineering survey services in Lajpat Nagar. With their team of experienced surveyors and engineers, they offer a wide range of services to cater to the needs of various clients. Whether it is a small-scale residential project or a large-scale commercial development, SCON Design has the expertise and resources to handle it with precision and accuracy. One of the key advantages of choosing SCON Design for detail engineering survey services in Lajpat Nagar is their commitment to using advanced technology and equipment. They utilize state-of-the-art surveying tools and software to ensure accurate measurements and data collection. This not only saves time but also enhances the overall efficiency of the surveying process. Moreover, SCON Design understands the importance of delivering timely results to their clients. They strive to complete their surveys within the agreed-upon timeframe, ensuring that construction projects can proceed as scheduled. Their efficient project management and streamlined processes enable them to meet tight deadlines without compromising on quality. In conclusion, detail engineering survey services in Lajpat Nagar are essential for any construction or infrastructure project. They provide valuable insights into the site's topography and terrain, ensuring the safety and efficiency of the project. Whether you are planning a small-scale residential project or a large-scale commercial development, SCON Design can cater to your detail engineering survey needs in Lajpat Nagar with utmost precision and professionalism.